Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best pool cue tips on the market as of August 2025. Whether you're a casual player or a serious pool enthusiast, the right cue tip can make a huge difference in your game. I've done the research, tested these products, and compiled this list to help you make an informed decision. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, without further ado, let's break it down. Coming in at number 4 is the Solro Studio Billiard Pool Cue Tips. This set offers 25 medium-hard 11mm tips that are perfect for players who need precision for straight shots. The tips are made from 100% leather, ensuring excellent durability and grip, and come with a convenient plastic storage box and super glue for easy installation. This is a great all-in-one kit for beginners and seasoned players alike. The standout feature here is the medium hardness of the tips, which provides a balanced feel, firm enough for power shots, but flexible enough to allow for some spin. The included glue makes installation a breeze, and the storage box keeps everything organized and protected from moisture and dirt. The design is simple yet effective, and the quality of the leather ensures long-lasting performance. In terms of value, the Solros kit is a no-brainer for players who want an affordable, complete solution. However, the limited size option, 11mm, might not work for those with different cue diameters. Additionally, while the glue is effective, it's a one-time use item, so you might need to purchase more for future replacements. Overall, this is an excellent choice for players looking for convenience and quality in a single package. Taking the number 3 spot is the CUESOUL 40 pieces slip-on pool cue tips. This product is all about versatility and convenience. With 4 size options, 9mm, 10mm, 12mm, and 13mm, you'll have plenty of choices to fit various cue sticks. The tips are made from premium rubber, which provides decent elasticity and friction for controlling the ball. One of the biggest advantages of these tips is how easy they are to install. There's no need for glue or clamps. Just slip them on and you're ready to play. This makes them a fantastic choice for casual players or anyone who wants a quick fix during a game. The rubber material is durable and grippy, though it may not offer the same level of precision as leather tips for advanced players. While the CUESOUL tips are convenient and beginner-friendly, they're not without their drawbacks. The rubber material might wear out faster than leather, and the hand-coated glue marks on some pieces can be off-putting. However, given the affordable price point and the sheer quantity in the package, this is a solid option for players who value variety and ease of use. At number 2, we have the Pengxiaomei 40 pieces slip-on pool cue tips. This product offers the same convenience as the CUESOUL tips, but comes with an added touch of quality. You get 10 tips in each of the 4 sizes, 9mm, 10mm, 12mm, and 13mm, making it versatile for different cue sticks. The tips are made from a combination of plastic covers and leather, providing a better balance of durability and performance compared to rubber-only options. The slip-on design makes installation incredibly simple. No tools or glue are required. This is perfect for players who need a quick replacement during a game. The leather tips offer better ball control and accuracy, making them a great choice for both casual players and enthusiasts who want to step up their game. While the Pengxiaomei tips are highly convenient, they do have some limitations. The plastic base can feel less premium, and the fit might be loose on some cues. However, with a competitive price and strong customer reviews, these tips are a fantastic option for anyone who values quality and ease of use. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this in-depth comparison of the top 5 best pool cue tips available right now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy shooting.